So 210, 225, 240. So we're coming from here. It's made off the 30, the 45, and the 60. We'll fill out this quadrant. Okay, but remember, x is negative on this axis and y is negative here. So this is negative, negative. So sine and cosine will be negative. Tangent will be positive. So this is negative, negative. And then, of course, I'll mark them here just so you kind of see me getting the pullout. And then, of course, the triangles, okay? All right. OAH. So if this is my 30 degrees, this is OAH, right? This will be OAH. Your hypotenuse, your radius is always the H, okay? So is negative 1 over negative 1 over 2. You guys, I wanted to write the rad 3. 2, how do I turn that into a 2? OH, negative 1 over 2, so that's negative 1/2. Cosine is AH, negative rad 3 over 2. And tangent is OA, negative 1 over negative rad 3. But I'm going to multiply by rad 3, so I get rad 3 over rad 3. And this is positive because a negative divided by a negative is a positive. This is a positive ratio, fraction. Okay. So if I come over here, what am I doing, 210? Let's move that out of the way. So then 210, negative 1/2, negative rad 3 over 2, and it's positive rad 3 over 3, because a negative divided by a negative is a positive. Okay, 45s. O over H, right? So katoa sine over H. So, oh wait, I didn't label it. So this is 45, OAH, right? So then it's OH, negative 1 over rad 2. But again, negative rad 2 over 2. Cosine, negative 1 over rad 2. Again, we don't want our radical as a denominator. Negative rad 2 over 2. And then, of course, O over A, TOA, negative 1 over negative 1. And so that's a positive 1. Right? A negative divided by a negative is a positive, so this is a positive. Negative rad 2 over 2, negative rad 2 over 2, and positive 1. Here, hold on. 1. And if I was to grab a calculator, like if I was to type in, here, I don't want to cover it up, but if I was to type in like the cosine of 225, notice I'm getting negative rad 2 over 2. So even your, oh, you can't see, even your calculator these calculators would even give you the correct length off your special right triangles. Go 60? Yeah? Okay, so then 60, OAH, here's my 60 degrees. So this is O, right? Opposite, adjacent, hypotenuse, right? That's your OAH. So sine of 60 degrees is over H, negative rad 3 over 2. Cosine of 60, negative 1 over 2. And then OA, negative rad 3 over negative 1, which is just a positive rad 3. Remember, this is positive. Is it gonna fit? But I don't know if I can write here. Okay, let's see if I can write. Negative rad 3 over 2, negative 1/2, positive rad 3. And if you look on, on the internet on images, if you're absent one of the days or you're like, I don't know quite sure, I think I might have messed some up, you can just pull up Google Images and you can just compare and the table's completed. We haven't done our quadrantal angles yet, the 0, the 90, the 180, 270, 360. We'll do that after we do the 4 quadrants. I didn't want to break up that part yet. I want to just work on the special right triangles. Okay, and that's it. That's quadrant 3. So then quadrant 4, only the y is negative. So your tangents will be negative, and then your sines will be negative. Okay. I know, tomorrow's quadrant 4. Okay, so stop recording, and then I'll put it back up, and I'll let you guys copy it. Okay, because otherwise it's going to keep going and go.